How to share your Quora space to Instagram directly, easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your Quora space easy and fast. So first thing, go to Quora. Now go to your profile right here in the top and go down and choose the space that you want to share on Instagram and click on it until it takes you to this page. Now on this page, all what you have to do to share your space is go to the top corner and click on those three dots. Now click on the share option here and now go down until you find Instagram and click on it, and it will be shared easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.